This video explains why I have not classed marketing as one of my top 6 key functions to designing a business in my program to the enterprise. Firstly, let me say yes, marketing is completely necessary and is an essential add-on to promoting any business, even more so in the 21st century with digital products and the move from high street retail to e-commerce and the need for online presence in this technology age. There are some simple elements in marketing that should be looked at the business startup stage that I touch on in my branding handbook that you can download for free at the end of this video. This covers the essentials for business startups. 1. Getting your brand name and logo design right first time. 2. Knowing whether your brand is a success or failure. 3. Why colour can make or break your brand. 4. Is your professional image a reflection of your company brand and values? And 5. Do you pass the brand recognition test? But remember, don't mistake marketing and branding for what it really is: the wrapping paper and ribbons you add to an already great innovative business model, product or service. The Designovation philosophy is about the design of your business in the engineering sense of the word. Only an intelligent and innovative business model with solid foundations will create opportunities for growth, profitability and stability. If you want to watch and read something prophetic, take 10 minutes out of your day to read or watch James Dyson's 2004 Dimbleby lecture from the BBC and see how 16 years on, everything he envisaged has come to fruition about the UK's economy and its obsession with branding over the substance of products. Businesses that succeed after 2020 will be those that over-deliver in quality products and service to the consumer and have the creativity to stand out. I will demonstrate this in detail in our Programme 1, the Entrepreneur, and Programme 2, the Enterprise. Feel free to keep watching to learn more about my new book, The Designovator's Room, Creative Thinking. In my next video, I will explain why it is essential to develop your creative thinking skills if you wish your business to exceed all your expectations. And don't forget, sign up now to receive your free copy of the Branding Handbook. Thanks for watching and bye for now.